so. And then we can take this bracket and loop it back, and have our wiring back, and snap our AC compressor wire back on. Then we get our two frame bolts, or not frame bolts, AC compressor bolts that go right on the frame side.